Alright, so this weekend we are up here at the Rattlesnake Saloon for the Jeeping the Saloon event. Pretty awesome event. Kind of an overlanding slash jeeping event. Got a whole bunch of folks here with jeeps, camps set up. They're really here for the trails and some of the obstacles. Now, I'm not gonna make this a long video this week. Not a lot of stuff to really show, but I think we could go down there and see what's going on with the mud pit and a little bit of the camping, because the camping looks pretty good. Looks like they had lots of extra space. Where I am, I think is completely empty. But you know what? I think if they had gotten enough people, they could have filled this up. You know, this is not official campsites. They had RV sites all along the road, but yeah. But, this dirt road goes a long ways. Check this out. Anyways, I'm not real sure where this mud pit is, but if I don't find it soon, we may not stay around for long. I was worried that just the campsites above were all there was, but looks like we have a whole bunch of things set up down here. All right, so I think I found myself a good spot set up for this mud bog. Let's see if anybody gets stuck. Well, we got to see one truck try to do the mud bog, and then nothing. And we got trucks like this. See that one over there? That one needs to go. Time to give him a tow. This guy needs to learn to let go. He's gonna blow that thing up. All right, so I've been over here watching a bunch of victims. Mud victims, that is. I'm hungry. I'm gonna head up and see if I can find the saloon, see if I can get something good to eat. So that's what this event's all about. Just a bunch of good-natured Jeep activities.